Good evening and welcome to the news. First, the headlines. Lok Sabha begins discussion on Union Budget 2024-25. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma lays foundation stone for Apiculture Multi-Facility Centre in Melim village. Meghalaya Governor Phagu Chauhan inaugurates new library of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. KHDC delegation to meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah in New Delhi. And fake army personnel caught in 101 area, Shillong. The news in detail. The Lok Sabha has taken up discussion on the Union Budget 2024-25. The House is also taking up discussion on the budget of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir for 2024-25 simultaneously. Initiating the discussion, Kumari Selja of Congress raised the issue of unemployment, saying it is increasing day by day in the country. She questioned why the government is not taking steps to fill up vacancies in central government departments. She criticized the government on the Agniveer scheme. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma marked a significant development in southwest Garo Hills by laying the foundation stone for the Apiculture Multi-Facility Centre in Melim village. The project, with an estimated budget of 1.52 crores, aims to enhance local infrastructure for apiculture, including a multi-facility building, machinery and processing units. In his address, the Chief Minister emphasized the potential of the centre to boost socio-economic status through sustainable livelihoods and community cooperation.
society ni muksongani ramko aro mairake makangchin esmang kam kana sansinga yarangko detailo angna July ni dok tarik ni meetingo angna detailo parakaha uniga nanga wa plak ko knai namen kusioma maina yarangko kaachi atsinga tsini manderangna namgappan tsing cholangko namat game.
Meghalaya Governor Phagu Chauhan yesterday inaugurated the new library of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council at the office of the KHDC Shillong, which housed the documents of the first proceedings of the KHDC. In the last 73 years, the council never had a library, and the need was felt to preserve all the information related to traditional governance, land, social customs, rich culture and tradition, and customary practices. In his address, the governor expressed his pleasure at participating in the inauguration and extended his warmest greetings to the KHDC members and the people of Meghalaya.
थोड़ा दिक्कत है हम लोग की भापाई दूरी में लैंग्वेज की लिए तो
A four-member delegation from the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, headed by KHDC Chairman Lamprang Bla, yesterday visited New Delhi to meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah as part of the representatives of 10 autonomous district councils and territorial councils across the northeast. Chief Executive Member of KHDC Pinyait Singh's aim informed that the delegation will try to impress upon Shah to table the constitutional 125th Amendment Bill 2019, which proposes to amend the 6th schedule.
We discuss and deliberate was regarding the 125th Constitutional Amendment. And we know that Parliament session is going on since Monday, since yesterday in Delhi. And we feel that this is the right time for us to knock the door of the central government. And with all in one mind and one voice, all the ADCs, we have approached the Ministry of Home Affairs, and fortunately, the Honorable Union Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah ji, has invited us today, in fact, today evening.
Based on input provided by military intelligence, Shillong, a suspicious individual was caught in 101 area, Shillong, yesterday. The individual has been identified as Sarcheon Rongpi of Kiching Rongpi village, Dakomoka, Karbi Anglong district, Assam. Rongpi impersonated himself as a military officer and roamed around various military stations in an Indian Army uniform. He is also in possession of sensitive military photographs and videos including military convoy, weapons like AK-47 rifles and pictures of various military establishments in his mobile phone. Rongpi was caught by military intelligence and handed over to Meghalaya police for further investigation. Families, clans and NGOs of late Diana Dimre C.H. Marak have demanded that the East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner conducts a magisterial inquiry into Marak's suicide case, stating that there has been foul play. A conglomeration of NGOs from Garo Hills met East Khasi Hills DC R.M. Kurba yesterday to express their views and demanded a magisterial inquiry. Speaking to the media, A.C. Marak, a family member, said that in the post-mortem report it said that the cause of death was asphyxiation, but it failed to give details on the pathological report. It may be mentioned that Diana C.H. Marak, a civil engineering student, was found hanging in the girls' hostel at Shillong Polytechnic Institution on May 6th.
Till now, it's still pending for investigation. I don't know why the delay is still there. I have met Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District. It should have started much earlier because we have submitted the complaint. We have submitted the FIR report to police Mumbai, but then this investigation is still pending. So we want this investigation to be taken up, as well as the magisterial inquiry to be instituted against this incident.
The MLA of Nongkrem constituency, Ardent Miller Basayamoit, who is also the president of the Voice of People's Party, VPP, yesterday released 2 schemes under Special Rural Works Programme, SRWP, and Intensive Sports and Youth Development Programme, ISYDP, amounting to 2.5 crores and 3 lakhs respectively for the year 2023-24.
Sampola Banshna Kamra class Yaka Pomlakrai Presbyterian Secondary School Hamotria Arpola Kaskul ha Nongkrem Presbyterian Secondary School Nongkrem Mopentau Kat Sanlak Nangta Gajing Shna Yaka podium Baka gallery Portlightor football ground Kat Sanlak Kani Ka first phase Kamdak Tang Kat Sanlak in Apan Aibiang Dekat pendek begini Nanta ka jing shna ka jing penhe ya kamaran football ringkat ka kenro apok maupun tau football ground kat sanlak.
Voice of the People's Party President Ardent Miller Basayamoit said that the party is not in a hurry to make a foray into Garo Hills, although some respectable people from that region who want to tread the path of integrity have expressed desire that it should put up a candidate for the Gambagre by-poll. The VPP chief informed that as of now, the party will concentrate on the 2028 Assembly elections.
Banong ya ke GHADC ya ke MDC election ang Garo Hills te nri ke song kapor la niyo ya kapor ka ba puluy kendian lesi la kapor ka sha ngila ban yar si Garo Hills te nri ya mentahi ke jing perkhat ke jing kolong baladangi ni plek jimut hiya ka arhopra ka MLA election te nri ki ma ban ti pakai ke development ke ban mi agni ki ndia sni ki ndia banai.
The Hindu-Trep Achik National Movement has decided to again knock on the door of the Government of India on the demands of implementation of the Inner Line Permit, ILP, in Meghalaya, resolving the long-pending border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam, and inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. Speaking to media at Maukarwat on Monday, HNAM President Lamprang Kharbani said that on the issue of long-pending border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam, the Ministry of Home Affairs, through the letter to the HNAM, has informed that it has directed the Central Division to look into the matter.
government of India yakni lightly mat jura jong kali po jong reo kita kata kalong ILP tin khasi bat karo bat kawai ka border issue.
The Federation of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo people, FKJGP, today met the Chief Postmaster General to seek clarification on vacancies in Meghalaya. Speaking to the media after the meeting, FKJGP President Dundee Kongsit said that the Federation demanded from the Chief Postmaster General to make Khasi, Jaintia and Garo languages optional for filling these posts. Kongsit emphasized that it is the responsibility of the state government to write to the Department of Posts, Ministry of Communications to recognize these languages as optional for filling the 445 vacant posts in Meghalaya.
Chief Postmaster General, Chief Postmaster General di station dari lingkungan diberi kejauh bahapa jauh itu kelak pensyai ini kelak information yang kapang saya tu minta bagi post baru kebalat minta kita Hindu spa rapatli but kani kalau bagi kena kasih kejauh ini hatian nong repair atau rilum kasih bah rilum Garo kelak ben apply kini ki post kejauh kini ki post kebalat hanya post office but kelak benjit ek subject kemudian English Khasi berapa Khasi region mud Garo apa Garo region kata.
The Deputy CEM of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, PNSAIM, visited the District Council Court in Nongstoin. The court recently resumed operations after several years of inactivity. During the visit, SAIM reviewed various measures to improve the functionality and efficiency of the court. He said that currently there are approximately 200 pending cases before the court, which include both civil and criminal matters.
Kapur jumne hamne ka function na kusna maja koi alim bangla bo di magistrate haman lagi district total bagumbang sutu menta nai tong dimi magistrate amin ba case ko yung aspa tam hamne kabut perde la kumulu ya ban sim ya ko at sa case kita naman niya ni long nakabunta kan pwede rin don kam ni big yan di kamera trekam kaput room but way the computer ko yung day but nong say you don't come ban kam pan susyo kunja nang ba kan prisuk na kanta put ko yung naka tax kita.
And a quick look at the weather report now. The maximum temperature recorded was 25.6 degrees Celsius, the minimum 18 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 85%, while that in the evening fell to 77%. No rainfall was recorded. The forecast? Moderate rainfall and thundershower is very likely to occur at most places. And another look at the headlines before we wind up. Lok Sabha begins discussion on Union Budget 2024-25. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma lays foundation stone for Apiculture Multi-Facility Centre in Melin Village. Meghalaya Governor Phagu Chauhan inaugurates new library of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. KHEDC delegation to meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah in New Delhi. Fake army personnel caught in 101 area, Shillong. Well, viewers, that's all we have in this edition of the Bulletin. Join us again tomorrow evening for more news and updates.